Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Last few days, markets have been very difficult, and it took 9 trading sessions to fall from 23,869 last time high to all the way to 21,750. So that's more than 2,100 points. So 9 trading session, 2,100 point down. The next 7 trading session, it's more than 2,100 point higher. Right? Yesterday, the Nifty closed, somewhere very close to the recent high. Now 24,000 is within the striking distance. The problem is not market falling or rising, but the speed with which it is rising and falling. And a lot of people got into trouble. But sometimes intraday works, sometimes intraday doesn't work, So whatever it is, looking at the picture now, the main problem is that this 23,869 is a resistance. So once it is taken out decisively, the next resistance is only at 24,800. So if you can remember, first time since last October, when the first fall came, it was a 3,000 point fall from around 26,300 to 23,300, and then it recovered 50% to 24,800. So after that, the markets fell. So therefore, the next target is 24,800. If that is decisively crossed, and then next one is 26,300, the all-time high. And luckily this month, so we have only 4 more trading sessions. If you are having a monthly position, if you have a April or May or June position, it will be a different story. For the current series, there are only 4 trading sessions. And over the weekend, Infosys result came, which was not really good. HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank results came. Both seems to be good, but anyway, they both are trading at 52-week high. So definitely this might have been factored in. So I don't think that, any 4%, 5% up, it can happen in these 2 stocks. So some positivity in these 2 stocks, we may be compensated by some negativity in Infosys. This time IT pack has not been doing well. So TCS fell after the results, Wipro fell after the results, and now Infosys has fallen after the results in US ADR. And then, HCL Technology and Tech Mahindra will be coming out with the results next week. Right? So next week, markets will be reacting to a lot of corporate results. I think Maruti, Tata Consumer, Tech Mahindra, Nestle, Hindustan Unilever. So there are many companies start coming. But the people are keenly watching for Reliance Industries, but Reliance Industries is not coming with results this week. So overall market sentiment has turned very bullish, and now 23,300 will be a good support. The resistance right now, it's difficult to say. Maybe 24,000 may be a round figure, but beyond that, it can go all the way to 24,800. But of course, that may not happen during the next 4 trading session. So next 4 trading session, we should be happy if Nifty closes about 24,000 in this series. The problems are still there globally. Over the weekend, Trump has announced earlier he was saying that 25% tariff, 45, 55, that it went all the way to 245%. Now he says for the container shipment from China to America, there is a separate tax. So for every 1 ton of goods, there is a $50 tariff or something like that. So therefore, I doubt tomorrow whether the US markets will be moving significantly higher. And then many markets are closed, because last Friday is a Good Friday. So coming Monday is a Easter. Today is Easter, but many people, so today is Easter, then tomorrow is a public holiday because today is Sunday. So many markets are closed. US markets are not likely to do very well. So therefore, there is a possibility that Nifty might consolidate. Just in a matter of 3 trading sessions, the Nifty shot up nearly more than 1,500 points. So logically, it should consolidate. But if it continues to raise another 500,000 points, then as and when the fall comes, that's going to be very severe, very painful. So earlier I told you 23,200, when it is crossed, the Nifty has become long, and that long is still intact. So as and when Nifty becomes short, I will let you know. But right now the markets are long, and time not to short this market at any time for that time being. So remaining things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.